The introduction of OLED TV is ushering in a new category of television. But how did we get here? After a spacewalk, an astronaut observed, "It is pitch black outside." Not the color black, but rather a complete absence of light.
Oh, it's beautiful, Mike, it really is.
Our perspective has evolved at an incredible pace in the past 50 years. 30 years before we walked on the moon, humankind got its first look at television in the 1939 New York World's Fair. This was a revolution in technology. But the world we see is in color, not black and white. 14 years later, a color image was produced by broadcasting 3 monochrome images simultaneously. Of course, we did not stop here. As our viewpoint evolved, so did our quest for more detail and a clearer view of our world. We were on a mission to reach higher contrast ratios, superior color gamut, and more energy efficiency. As a result, the 1980s welcomed the development of plasma and liquid crystal display televisions. But LCD crystals don't produce their own light. A dedicated light source is needed, making them thicker, heavier, and unable to produce a perfect black. Then came HD TV, a new digital standard with quadruple the resolution, 1,080 lines per frame, and a vastly clearer picture. With the introduction of the LED as their light source, LCD televisions became thinner, brighter, and crisper. The majority of new TVs manufactured and sold today fall into the category of LED-lit LCDs. But because of the backlight, they can never achieve a true black. Also, their contrast ratio is limited, especially when viewed off-center. Picture quality had hit a ceiling, and for things to truly evolve, a new technology was needed, which brings us to today. Large-screen organic light-emitting diode displays. OLED TVs were unveiled in 2013. OLED uses an organic substance that glows when an electric current is introduced, with no need for a backlight. The TV is only 6 millimeters thick and weighs just 47 pounds for a 65-inch screen. Individual pixels can now switch off for another revolution in perspective. Perfect black. That means LG OLED TV achieves infinite contrast, extraordinary color gamut, and an exceptionally wide viewing angle. LG OLED TV, a revolutionary technology